Welcome to Happy Eats Conversions. Hello, my name is Jing Liu. I've been a dietitian for over 20 years and a meditation teacher for over 12 years. And over the years, I've learned it's a great skill to have to know what your body needs and make the food choices that truly nourish your body. And also a great skill to know how to convert different dishes from a meat dish to a vegetarian dish and then to a vegan dish or vice versa. This way, you will save time and energy to prepare the food to either serve different preferences in your family or your friends or even in a work environment. So next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make 3 versions of a fusion spring roll. Okay, here we have some rice paper and we have different ingredients. We have the vegetables that can go into all 3 dishes, and we have 3 choices of protein: eggs, sausage, and hummus. So we prepare the rice paper. And first, you just put in the vegetables. And I also have some onions here. And some sausages. And just wrap it up. And here we have the meat choice. Spring roll. And next, this is warm water, by the way. It helps. And again, you fill in the vegetables. And you can use any vegetable you have. And this is for the vegetarians. The egg. You can do different styles you like, open end or loose end. Okay, there you go. And then we do the vegans. And you can use, if you don't like hummus, you can put in nuts instead. Or you can put in both, whatever works for you. And here we have it. Okay, so we have meat choice here and vegetarian in the center. And then there's the vegan choice on this side. Okay, there you have it. This is a simple way of making a variety of spring rolls. And I hope that you get inspired and create your own happy eating conversions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!